Hi students, welcome to Math4U. Today in this session we are going to discuss about what are rational numbers. This is just an introduction to rational numbers. This is for grade 8 or you can see for grade 9 and 7 as well because this is just an introduction you have learned already in grade 7. Okay. So let's see what is the definition of rational number. Rational numbers are numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. This is the definition of rational number, or that means a rational number is a number that is expressed as the ratio of two integers where the denominator should not be equal to 0. What does this mean? That means any number in the form of p by q. That means this is a fraction form, right? P by q is a fraction form. But the numerator p and q are integers here and the denominator q should not be equal to 0. This is the rule for rational number. So let me give an example for you. 2, 7 by 2, negative 5 by 1, 0, all these are examples of rational numbers. So some of you may wonder how 2 or 0 can be a rational number. So let's go deep into it. So whether 2 can be expressed in the form of 2 by 1? Yes, we can express 2 in the form of 2 by 1. So now you can see that this is of the form p by q and q here is equal to 1. That means q is not equal to 0 here. So we can say that 2 is a rational number. So you can see here 7 by 2. 7 by 2 also you can see 7 by 2 is of the form p by q. Here both are integers. Q is not equal to 0. Here q is equal to 2. Now let's see the next example what we have taken, that is negative 5 by 1. This is also of the form p by q and you can see here p is negative 5, that is an integer, q is 1, that is an integer, and here q is not equal to 0, right? So we can say that all these are rational numbers. When we talk about 0, so let me take the 0 over here and you can see 0, I can write it as 0 by 1, is it? Yes, of course. So this is also now of the form p by q and here q is equal to 1 and also q is not equal to 0, right? So we can express all these numbers as in the form of rational number because 0, especially I'm talking about 0, 2 and all, because the denominator is not equal to 0, right? And the numerator and denominator are integers. So now let me draw a number line over here. So you can see the number line over here and I'm going to mark it 0, 1, 2. You know the positive numbers will come towards the right, the negative numbers will come towards the left. So between, we can say that infinite number of rational numbers are between two given rational numbers. So let's see. So when we talk about a natural number, a whole number or an integer, we can say between negative 2 and 0, how many integers are there? We can easily say, right? Yes. But here, in the case of a rational number, we can, for example, I'm taking 1 and 2. Between this 1 and 2, how many rational numbers? There can be infinite number of rational numbers between 1 and 2. That we will learn going forward. How can it be possible? Okay. So this is about a rational number. So rational numbers are numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q should not be equal to 0. This is the main rule you have to check for a rational number. So we have noticed here 0 is also a rational number, 2 is a rational number, right? Here the q should not be equal to 0 and the numerator and denominator should be an integer. I hope this is very clear about the rational numbers. Thank you.